Yep.
In north-central Illinois, northern Mchenry County in northeastern Illinois, northern Boone County in north-central Illinois, until 3:30 p.m. At 2:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Clinton, or 10 miles east of Deloitte, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Poplar Grove, Greenwood, Spring Grove, Harvard, Hebron, Kemen, Capron, Sharon, Richmond, South Beloit, Wonder Lake, Roscoe, and Ruckton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Greene County in south-central Wisconsin.